Okay, so I'm just going to stick my needles in my gauge, which is a bit different straw, until it's pretty full. That's pretty loose. Keep going. Okay, so one more. Okay, so this is how we begin our cranial basket. So fill up the gauge, and I'm going to wrap. So I just have some wax in here, and I'm going to put the tail in with the ends. I'm just going to wrap. Keep it close together. Sticks there. So you wrap it wider and then stitch it together. So you want it all very tightly wrapped. This is going to prevent the cranials from breaking in half and bend them to start the coil. Okay, at this point, I think most people actually trim these ends off. I'm just going to use scissors. You could use like a quarter inch, that's off here. Okay, now I need to trim this off and give myself about 3 feet of wax line. And I'm going to start my needle. That did not go well. Thread split. Usually just curve it a little bit with my thumb, and usually I have trouble with. There we go. Okay. So now you take this and bend it together like so. This is where stitching. Yeah, I'm going to wrap this around both a few times, and then I'm just going to stitch through both sides. Okay, that didn't stay put, but I'm going to make it right around there. This is the trickiest part of getting baskets threaded. So you're going to need stitching going back and forth to keep your loop together. Oh, you can see that it's starting to stay. You can also see that some of these are falling off, which in the end doesn't matter so much, but I'm going to try to shove these back on. There we go. Okay. I am going to actually continue wrapping because this next bit is also going to get quite a lot of stress, and so that prevents the cranials from breaking as you bend them. So I'm going to bend that around, and I'm going to take another stitch through everything. And I don't always use exactly the same times with pliers at this point to help keep everything together and pull the needle through. My fingers are really tender for holding these damp needles. I just soak these in boiling water for a few minutes to keep them very pliable. They don't break. And I don't have my pliers, so that is getting used to see that these are very well bent. They do not break, and you can distribute the stitches over these end points.
Okay, so pliers can help you in these situations that are difficult to be able to pull that through. Okay, now I'm going to stick that through again, and I think I'm going to start stitching the basket after that. Okay, so this is holding together pretty well. I'm going to add one more. Okay, that's pretty snug. Alright, so now I'm going to stick this down. And it's going around these bare needles, and it's going down into about the middle of that next row. And then I leave a space, and I do the same thing. The thread's coming from behind and coming down. Alright, now we're going to turn the bend. And you can see that our bottom coil has begun. Okay, I'm going to slide my needle down a little bit more because I don't have very much thread left.